Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple and beautiful shawl, vest, cardigan, atoll which you want to make with this pattern. You can do that. It's so simple. Actually 2 rows repeating, but we slide this pattern so 4 rows repeating. Only you need to know making chains and double crochet. That's it. It's a little have a 3D effect you can see here because we make 5 double crochet here, and when you make these shells it gets that shrink here and it's looking like 3D. I use here nearly size 4 yarn and 4.5 millimeter hook I use in this sample. This is multicolor yarn and I want to show you with cotton yarns. I want to show it easily. I use this size 3 yarn and use 3 millimeter hook with that pattern. For this pattern you need multiples of 6. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot again. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple shawl pattern. Let's start to crochet. For this pattern we need multiples of 6 and 2. First of all, make a slip knot. Then not make so tight. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So totally you need multiples of 6. Yarn over and skip 1 2 3 and 4 chains. Insert into the 5th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, add here 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. Skip 4 chains, insert into the 5th one and make here 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay. Then 1 2 3 and 4 chains, yarn over, skip here 1 2 3 and 4, insert into the 5th one and make here 5 double crochet, 1 in the same stitch, 2 yarn over in the same stitch, 3 yarn over in the same stitch, 4 and make the 5th one in the same stitch. Again repeat of that 1 2 3 and 4 chains, yarn over, skip 1 2 3 4, insert into the 5th one and make here 5 double, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4, yarn over, skip 1 2 3 4, insert into the 5th one, again make 5 double, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 and 4 chains, 1 2 3 and 4, skip, insert into the 5th one, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 and 4 chains, skip 1 2 3 4, insert into the 5th one, and make here 3 double crochet, chain 1, because we start here, you know, 4 chain, 3 for double, 1 for space, and make 1 more double crochet. Exactly, you need multiples of 6 chains. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains and turn your work. Yarn over, come to chain 4 space and make here 3 double, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and make 3 more, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, come to next space, make here 3 double, again do the same thing, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Every chain 4 space you will make 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Between of the sets you don't have any chains. Here, yarn over, directly come to the chain 4 space, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, come to last space, 3 double, chain 2 and 3 double, we start here with chain 5. This chain 5, 3 4, 3 chains for double crochet, 2 chains for space, chain 2 and come to last here, chain 1 left, insert the, when you count these chains from here, 1 2 3, on the third one insert and make your double crochet and finish your round. Then 1 2 3 and 4 5 chains again and turn your work. This time you will make your 5 double crochets on the chain 2 space. Yarn over, we slide this chain 5 place. Here we start half motif. Now we make here complete motif. Insert chain 2 space, make 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5, then 1 2 3 and 4 chains, yarn over, insert into the chain 2 space, make here 5 double, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 1 2 3 and 4 chains, yarn over, come to next, 1 2 3 4 and 5 double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4 chains, yarn over, come to next, chain 2 space. This round like that, in chain 2 space you will make 5 double crochet, between of them 4 chains. That's so simple. 1 2 3 4, make my last repeating, 2 3 4 and 5. We start here 5 chains, so chain 2, yarn over, come to count from here 1 2 3, insert the third stitch and finish with double crochet. Now again we slide our pattern, so 1 2 3 and 4 chains, 3 for double, 1 for space, and turn your work, yarn over, come to chain 2 space and make here 3 double, 1 2 3, yarn over, come to chain 4 space and do the same thing, 3 double, 1 2 3, chain 2 and make 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, yarn over, come to next, 1 2 3, chain 2 and 1 2 3 double crochet, yarn over, directly come to chain 4 space, 1 2 3, chain 2, make 3 more, 1 2 3, yarn over, come to next space, 1 2 3 double crochet, chain 2 and make 3 more. When you come to the end of your row, yarn over and directly come to last chain 2 space and make here 3 double, 1 2 3. We start chain 4, you remember, chain 1 and insert your hook 1 2 on the third stitch, finish with double crochet. That's it. 1 2 3 and 4 again, same as the first row, turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook, chain 1 space and make here 1 2 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4 chains, yarn over, come to chain 2 space and make here 5 double, 1 2 3 4 and 5, again chain 4, come to next chain 2 space and make 5 double crochet. Like that you will keep repeat your pattern which length you want. Okay, it's so fast crocheting and it's so simple. Always repeat actually 2 rows, but you need, the weather is so horrible, 2 3 4 and 5. I come to the last chain 4, yarn over, come to chain 1 space and finish with 3 double crochet, chain 1 and make here on the third stitch your last double crochet. This is the repeating of our first row. Then chain 5 and turn your work, start from the chain 4 space, you will make 3 double, chain 2 3 double. Okay, then repeat 1 2 3 and 4 rows which size you want. I make my chains here so tight, you can see that it's a little shrink here. Like that. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. So beautiful pattern. If the video comes too fast, you can click here 3 dots and slow me down. Thanks a lot for your time. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice